wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best grills for tailgating. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Due to its super compact size, you'll only be able to cook a couple of items at the same time with the Gibson Home. That being said, it's extremely easy to travel with, and it serves as an entertaining raffle prize or novelty gift at a Super Bowl party. There are 5 fun sports-themed designs, and the lid handle stays cool to the touch. However, it can be tough to install the grate. At number 9, powered by lightweight propane cylinders, the Smoke Hollow 205 is a nice choice for families who enjoy weekend outings to the beach or picnics in the park. It looks sharp out in the sun and gets warm in a snap once you light it up. It's equipped with a useful steel drip tray and an integrated temperature gauge, but it lacks side carrying handles. Coming in at number 8 on our list. It's certainly not a heavy-duty option, but the Moskus Gear Mini should serve you well as long as you set it up on a stable surface and avoid windy conditions. This charcoal-powered model is ideal for a couple on a camping trip or a pair of fishing buddies. It includes a bag with a shoulder strap and is lightweight for easy portability. However, it doesn't include a lid. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grills for tailgating, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a nifty countertop model, the Solaire SOL IR1 7BWR will make quick work of 4 burgers with a grilling area of 140 square inches. It also features a sizable warming rack and adjustable feet you can customize for use on different surfaces. It's made in the United States and offers a simple push-button ignition, but the temperature is tough to control. Moving up our list to number 6. By its nature, grilling can be a bit of a messy undertaking, but with the Gourmia Turbo, not so much. A removable battery-operated fan and drip tray make for speedy dismantling and cleanup, plus it weighs less than 8 pounds. It comes with a durable cast-iron grill top and a set of tongs. However, its heat distribution is not uniform. Halfway up our list at number 5. There will be no doubt as to who's the life of the pre-game party when you cruise up with the Stowaway Clear. This culinary station, which mounts to the hitch of your vehicle's trailer, swings out from its traveling position to lock into place when you're ready to use it. The rack holds up to 200 pounds, and it includes a quality cutting board. There are 2 sizes to choose from. At number 4, for a relatively small model, the Coleman Roadtrip can really kick it up a notch, quickly generating substantial heat for its 285 square inches of cooking space. It's constructed with 2 rigid side tables for staging utensils and ingredients. It's available in 5 different colors, with 3 independent burners and built-in wheels for transport. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The 17-inch version of the Blackstone tabletop will come in handy for a small group camping trip, while the 22-inch model may be a little better suited for larger backyard gatherings. It has a professional look, making it a logical choice for use at events. It features a grease channel that captures runoff, a keep warm setting, and a tough corrosion-resistant griddle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grills for tailgating, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if the Weber Q1000 looks like a good time waiting to happen, that's because it is. Lightweight and portable, it's equally useful in the parking lot next to the stadium as it is during a remote outdoor excursion. It'll easily cook 6 burgers at once. It comes equipped with a simple to adjust burner valve, comfortable side handles, and a removable catch pan. And taking the top spot on our list, the 4 reliable stainless steel burners on the Blackstone Outdoor mean you can utilize 4 isolated cooking zones, allowing you to tailor your approach to multiple different foods simultaneously. It even includes integrated garbage bag hooks. It offers a wide range of heat settings, a paper towel holder, and 4 smooth rolling casters. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for grills for tailgating, or simply click beneath this video.